y'all, what's up? It's your girls Twin Goddesses and I'm Alicia. I hope everyone is doing well out there. You guys, I am back with another video featuring one of my favorite brands, Nadula. So if you guys are interested in Nadula's wigs, definitely check the description box down below where everything is going to be linked for you. But I did have the opportunity to review one of their brand new units. This is going to be their wear and go wig. You guys can see this unit is pre-customized. Everything is ready to go. You guys can see that lace is pre-cut, so you don't have to cut the lace if you choose not to. That lace is also HD, so it's going to blend right down into your complexion. This unit also features bleached knots, a pre-plucked hairline. It also has the combs, elastic straps, as well as this non-slip band that is built in the inside. And the one thing that I love about this unit is that washing the hair will not sacrifice its quality. So once you wash the hair, the texture, those knots, everything will stay the same and your hair will actually look even better. But one thing I'm going to do in this video is I am not going to do any pre-styling, nothing. I am just going to wear the hair directly out of the box. A lot of you guys have been asking us to do that, so that is what I'm going to do today. I'm also not even going to glue or use any spray on those edges. We're going to see exactly how it looks directly out of the box. But you guys can see that lace is coming up a tad bit too light on me. I find that I have this problem a lot because I do put contouring powder along my forehead. So what I'm going to do to fix that is use a little bit of lace tinted spray. I do pick this up from Amazon and I use the color medium brown, and you guys can see just a few sprays of that will have that lace blend right down into your complexion. They do have a ton of different colors, so they will have one that matches your skin perfectly. But I'm also going to clean up that parting space by using just a little bit of concealer. These knots are bleached, so it's not necessary to use it. And I'm also going to tame those edges because this is a kinky edge wig, so it does have the natural Yaki texture and then those kinky edges. I'm going to take my elastic band just to lay those edges, and while that is laying, I'm just going to take my wax stick to kind of lay the top of the unit because I did feel like it did have a bit of a box hump. Also, my hair underneath is not braided. Y'all, I've been doing some natural hair videos, so my hair is in twists, so please ignore the lumps in the wig because that's just my hair. But I'm also going to take my Sultra flat iron to frame the hair around my face. And y'all, this unit is so soft. It has so much body and so much movement. This Yaki texture is A1. And so this is how the unit is looking, and now that I've laid those edges as well as laid the hair a bit. Y'all, look at these edges. Look how natural they look. I like the fact that their kinky edges is not too much. It's definitely something that we can play around with. You can lay it or you can leave it natural and it's going to look really good. Now this unit does feature their 7 by 5 inches of parting space, so it's going to go temple to temple and 5 inches back. Again, this texture is in Yaki. I believe the length of this unit is 20 inches. If I'm wrong, I'll leave it in the comment section. And you guys can see the angles of this hair. I am 5'8" and this is where it falls on me. The density of this one is 180%, so it is very natural. But right now I'm going to show you guys a few hairstyles. Let me know how you plan on wearing this unit because that 7 by 5 is extremely versatile.
Somebody, don't say it to show me. I can have anybody I want. My one and only. Need you to hold me, 'cause maybe you just might waste my time. Might get me right. Might change my mind. Maybe you just might get me right. Get me right. Get me
Yes, sis, this hair is A1 and you're going to be able to grab this unit on sale during their anniversary sale that's going on right now. So this unit is definitely affordable. It is ready to wear. It is pre-customized. Yes, sis, get this one. But anyways, y'all, again, this comes from Nadula.com. Let me know what you guys think and I'll catch you later. Bye, guys.